We shouldn't have to be babysitting fertilizer pumps. We farm almonds, figs, and a variety of row crops, cannery tomatoes, corn, wheat, alfalfa, and radicchio. We have lots of different pumping sites. Our average field's 50, 60 acres, so we have to be a lot of places at once. That gets very cumbersome in our management. When we fired up the Marksman, at first I was a little unsure if I could really trust the product, but I've grown to really love it. With some simple math, I could calculate the gallons per hour to run the entire duration of the irrigation minus the last 6 hours or so. Our traditional way of doing it with the radial centrifugal pump, you find yourself checking it for the first 6 to 8 hours. It's very cumbersome. This has eliminated the need for all that. If it tells you it's at 80 gallons an hour, it's at 80 gallons an hour. I like the remote monitoring. I can track when the pump went off, when it turned on. With Augustine, it took him a couple weeks, but he really came accustomed to it. I could tell him now over the phone, set the batch for 500 gallons and set it at 50 gallons an hour, and it'll be done in 10 hours, and it does.
Es muy segura y muy fácil, muy easy de usar. Con esta pompa yo se la recomiendo a todos amigos, compañeros.
It's going to really simplify our lives, especially in the early spring. When you're running short irrigation sets, you need to get a lot of flow out, and accurately. Anytime you get into these kind of products, you need a teammate. With all this technology that Surefire is bringing, it's a sense of security that whatever is supposed to be getting in that field is going to be what that machine said. It's not what my field managers turn in. When you're not an owner-operator, you need this to assure yourself that everything that you're wanting done is getting done.